Hello everyone, I welcome you back to the channel once again. So on popular demand, most of the people have been asking how are you able to create this Ghibli style, create this and that. I know there is this particular cartoon that is trending online right now, and if I go to maybe TikTok right here, I don't know if I have TikTok here, but if I go to TikTok right here now, it's loading a minute, and then I look for,
how about anything?
I go to the search bar right here
And
and search for Ghibli. Good. And if I have this right here, you can see that a lot of people were creating those type of content where they turn their picture into this kind of cartoon style. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you how you can create this with just an easy step. All right, now let's get started with it. All right, so the website we'll be using today is called ChatGPT, and this is the website that we are going to use to create this particular video right here, or these images. All right, so I already have my ChatGPT account login. All right, so either you are using it on phone, on a computer, is the same process. All right, so now get to, you have search reason, the three dots here, which will allow you to create image there, but you can just go to click on the plus sign right here, upload a picture from your gallery. Okay, so I'm going to look for a picture right here. Okay, so I will be selecting this image. All right, so this is the image that I will be using. Okay, all right, so the next thing, or the prompt that is going to help you generate this thing, is very simple. Okay, now type this, you just type create Ghibli style. So with this simple prompt, ChatGPT is going to create this for you. Alright, so just send it right here and wait for results in a few seconds or few minutes. Alright, so this is the actual picture I've sent to ChatGPT, and that's what is showing on the screen, and ChatGPT is now generating my picture for me. In a minute, this picture will be available and I can download it to my computer. I'm pretty much sure it is done and it is now loading. Okay, as simple as this is what it has created for us, from this picture right here to this. So this is how simple it is to create the Ghibli style of any pictures using ChatGPT. If you like this video, make sure to follow for more tips, and if you are watching on YouTube, make sure to subscribe and drop in a comment section which tips I should try next. See you all in my next video. Make sure to